Hi guys, welcome back to all of you. In the series of TPM video, today we are going to discuss about autonomous maintenance. Before coming to the topic of autonomous maintenance, let's understand the symptoms of a poor factory which will submerge the entire company sooner or later. If your company had also these symptoms, kindly get aware, else be ready to face consequences. These issues are frequent breakdowns, increased downtime, poor equipment performance, safety incidents, higher repair cost, operator disengagement, over-reliance on maintenance staff, visible wear and tear. So to overcome from these all issues, TPM has the answer. In my last video, I have already explained about 8 pillars of TPM and the importance of each pillar in the journey. Let's have a short brief in a jiffy. 5S and visual management is the cornerstone of TPM. TPM has total 8 pillars. First pillar is autonomous maintenance. Second pillar is focus improvement. Third is plant maintenance. Fourth is quality maintenance. Fifth is early equipment management. Sixth is education and training. Seventh is safety, health and environment. Eighth pillar is office TPM. And the objective of TPM is zero breakdown, zero accident and zero defect. And of course zero waste. So coming back to TPM first pillar, which is autonomous maintenance, which is also known as Jishuhojen. Autonomous maintenance is a strategy within total productive maintenance where machine operators are given the responsibility of maintaining the equipments they operate. Instead of relying solely on maintenance technician, AM empowers operators with the necessary training to perform routine preventive maintenance tasks such as cleaning, lubricating and inspecting their machine. This approach allows operators to identify and correct quality issues promptly and maintain their equipment in like new condition. AM is a paradigm shift. AM supports a culture change. AM activities improve equipment efficiency and upgrade operator skills. It has total 7 steps. Before proceeding to these all steps, we have to make basic arrangement and machine training to operators to pursue TPM journey, which called step 0, in which first we have to select the machine based on priority, arrange all the tools, tag tree for tying abnormality tags, cleaning equipment, JH board and provide basic training to operator about machine and TPM. So the first step of JH is initial cleaning or known as deep cleaning 2. So before proceeding this step, ensure Lotto is tied on machine to ensure safety of operator. So initial cleaning. In this, operator clean their machines thoroughly, which helps them learn about the equipment's condition and identify any initial issues. Cleaning activity has to perform so meticulously so each abnormality get captured during the process. Once we get abnormality on machine, note down it on tag. Mention all details as per requirement of tag. Second step of JH is eliminate source of contamination and improve accessibility. The second step focuses on eliminating the root causes of contamination and making hard to reach areas more accessible for cleaning and inspection. JH's third step is preparation of tentative Jishuhojen standards. In this step, tentative standards for cleaning, lubricating and inspections are prepared based on the knowledge gained from the first 2 steps. Fourth step of JH is the general inspection, is to understand the equipment structure, function and principle. Operator perform inspections by considering standards defined from step 1 to step 3. This step is crucial as it transitions from preventing forced deterioration achieved in step 1 to 3 to measuring and managing deterioration. Fifth step of JH is autonomous inspection. This step aims to maintain the improved equipment condition achieved during step 1 to 4. Operator review the tentative autonomous standards and general inspection standards, preparing Jishuhojen standards that provide for the efficient inspection and prevention of inspection errors. Sixth step is standardization. After maintaining the machine's basic conditioning and daily inspection in step 1 to 5, the focus shifts to reducing all kind of losses. This is achieved by empowering the operator for maintenance and management of the equipment through standardizing the activities and standards. Step 7, it is sustained practices. The final step consolidates all the activities undertaken in step 1 to 6. Operator develop confidence by witnessing the positive changes made in the equipment and surrounding workplaces. The goal is to implement self-management and continuous improvement, ensuring that the standards developed are adhered to. These all steps are designed to give operators a greater sense of ownership of their equipments, leading to better maintenance and fewer breakdowns, and of course improved productivity. It's a continuous improvement cycle which benefits both to operator as well as organization.